Minista wa Ukaria wa Ndani na mibango ya thirikari Profesa Kindiki na Iromba nthi cia Afrika gucwanjura iria ciombekia kurigiria kuthongeria kwa mathaga mandua mibakani gutati na watho. Kuringana na Kindiki, ARIUGA kwithirwa kwa mathaga mandua ni kuo gutuma kwithirwa kwina wongereku wa WAGAGIA ndwa gatagati ka miriga na kinyagia mbithukiro ni ikundi iria tisikiritwe ni watho. Anthony Kathenya ena ino.
Akelekele mambura maonenkaniri botongerea bojeru bonkia mearesa nkia melene nkireto wera bokorono tumiri bwa mesinka na pisto nini gyotote na watho kirende 15 ja Afrika Kenya ile mwande ino waziro ikale Profesa Kindiki leo na lutende ino ja Afrika kwijamu na kuwatanila na kutondeka mawatho mara makadhirio tomeri bwa mesinka na pisto ino gyotote na watho.
We in this part of the world have a challenge to find ways of comprehensively and permanently eradicating illicit trafficking in small arms and light weapons. I am persuaded that minus the instability that small arms and light weapons are causing in our region, Africa is the next frontier.
Kulingana na waziri Kindiki otomili bwa misinka hamwe na pisto ino gitati na watho budite na mbere kwa ngaratanio kiri kuongera wiki nae amuna kureta ndoa kirende nyingi ja Afrika.
Illicit trafficking in small arms and light weapons continue to fuel conflict in many of our countries. It continues to undermine governance in many of our countries. It continues to impede socio-economic development in many of our countries.
Waziri Kindiki akiwa kithura bobo bokaingika continent ya Afrika igakura na kiwango kia iguru.
I'm persuaded therefore that if we stabilize our region and our continent, the future of the world lies in Africa. I am persuaded that if we make our countries peaceful and stable for local and foreign investment, and for innovation, and for productivity, so that we don't waste time as Africans killing each other and destroying ourselves and our infrastructure. I am persuaded the future of the world is in this continent.
Kumamo jimonena Nairobi, Mbeta Antony, Rangi wa Kathenya.